Hey, beautiful people. I hope every single one of you is having a beautiful Tuesday evening, right? As you can see, this is an account I've been updating you guys with or about like for quite some time. From $500 deposit, which is already withdrawn, and this is how far the account is sitting at this particular moment. I'm trying to close it with a much more better profit. And just in case you think we do this only on big accounts, no. You're actually wrong. Let me show you. We do this on big and also on small accounts as well. Let me show you what we do on a small account. I mean, like that very same trade is on like $30. This account started with how much? With about $100, and this is the second trade, which is about to make. I mean, like this is about to make 50% of this account on $100. But otherwise, the other accounts I'm not actually holding anything at all. So I might just go to this one I'm still holding. This one I'm holding something. 500 as well. You know what I mean? This is where it's at. But in fact, let me close this. I'm out for the day. It's already about 1,000 when you combine both the trades, right? So this is a big one anyway. It started there. It's just started this week. You know, these are the trades that I started to take this week with that 3,000. It's 3,000 deposit with only $100 active bonus. So basically, if you go to this one, this is the one that I want to focus on, because this is an account that started with $500 not long ago. From $500, that's where it went. That withdrew about $500 to and the money it came, right? I even forgot I made it, because that was like last week. I got many 2 bank notifications after that one payment alone, you know. So cool. I think right now, man, we said we're good. $700 for the day. We good. Yeah, man, easy. Let me not forget to close it on the small account. Which account is it? Okay, this one. Let me not forget to close it on that small account. How much is it now? 30. 29. Not bad. I'm out for the day today, guys. I'm out, and let me just confirm, because this was on 1.6, right? Right now it's at 2.4, and I mean, like, I never got any loss at all. Remember when I started this account, I was updating you guys. There it's at right now as we speak, minus the other accounts that I'm not trading.